Hi guys, and welcome back to past tense. Today we are doing part 3 of past tense, and we're doing 2 more rules that you're going to learn. So first off, if a sentence has the verb het or is. Now don't think of het in the case of a past tense sentence the way we use it, like die seun het geval. Okay, in that case it means did. But if the word het is used as the main verb, it means has. Like, juffrou het 'n seentjie, the teacher has a boy. Okay, and is means is. Okay, like die man is honger, the man is hungry. Is the main verb in that sentence. Okay, so what we're going to do with these 2 words, there's a different rule for each one of them. So the first one, where the verb is very, very simple. You just change it to was. Like in English, you would say, the man is hungry becomes the man was hungry. It's the same in Afrikaans. So if we look at this example, Tumisho is mal oor sokker. Mal means crazy, like he's crazy over soccer. He loves it a lot. Okay, so Tumisho is crazy about soccer. You're just going to change is to was. The same way you do in English, is becomes was. So this sentence in the past tense becomes Tumisho was mal oor soccer. Very, very simple. That's the only change. There's no het, there's no ge, the verb doesn't move to the end. The rule is completely different from the normal one. We just change is to was. Now when my verb is het, let's look at this example. Daryl het 'n rooi fiets. Daryl has a red bicycle. In English, has will become had. Now it's almost the same in Afrikaans. What we do is we say Daryl and we add het like we normally do. Then we add the object, 'n rooi fiets, and then the word that will mean had is gehad. So it's had basically, but we add ge to it. Okay, Daryl het 'n rooi fiets gehad. So the rule there is we add het and we move the verb to the end, but it becomes had, and we add gehad. Okay, now let's carry on. If my sentence has an auxiliary verb like moet, wil, sal, kan, it's going to change when it goes to the past tense. So moet becomes moes, wil becomes wou, sal becomes sou, and kan becomes kon. So if we look at the first example, Asanda moet haar werk doen. Moet is an auxiliary verb. It's verb 1. The main verb is doen, verb 2. Now my normal rule for past tense is I add het, I move my verb to the end, and I add ge. But this is going to be a little bit different. First, I'm going to change my auxiliary verb in this way. So I have Asanda moet haar werk doen. Asanda must do her work. So moet over here becomes moes. So I'm going to start with Asanda moet becomes moes. Then I have the rest of my sentence. Haar werk. And then I need to add ge to my main verb, which is doen. Gedoen. And then, because there's already an auxiliary verb there, I cannot add het there. I cannot say, Asanda het moes haar werk gedoen. Doesn't make sense. So, het will go at the end. So, there we have my first verb. And this together will count as verb 2. Asanda moes haar werk gedoen het. It's the same with all these other auxiliary verbs. They will change in this way. Then I add ge to the main verb and het at the very end. So let's do one more example. Dedrick sal 'n roomys koop. Sal is my auxiliary verb, koop is my main verb. Sal over here becomes so. Sal means will and so means would have. So he would have bought an ice cream. So let's write it in past tense. Dedrick sal becomes so. Then I have my object, 'n roomys. Then I need to add ge to my main verb, gekoop. And then at the end I have het. Dedrick sou 'n roomys gekoop het. Hope that makes sense, guys. Again, like yesterday, your worksheet today will only include examples like these and like these. So it's basically 3 rules we're doing today. The one with het, that becomes het gehad, is, that becomes was, and then any auxiliary verb that changes like this, and then the het goes at the end of the sentence. Okay guys, enjoy it. Bye.